Very good afternoon and welcome to the channel. So what we have here is a setup on Euro AUD. So this is one I'm going to be getting long on. Excuse the background music. That was annoying. Excuse the background music. And so what we have here, Euro AUD, what we're looking for at MelonsTrade are market cycle trades that are in line with the market cycle. And as we can see here, we can see the market cycle works in 3, and we can see a 1 and a 2. So we're looking for harmonic pattern entries within the market cycle. This is a harmonic pattern here, and we pulled away. We are making lower highs. We are expected to hold up here. What we do have is a shoulder, head and shoulder, and another shoulder, head, shoulder, and it's getting people to bite at the minute. But for me, I'm going to take that on because it has shown up as a harmonic buy opportunity. Now I will draw it out for you so you can see what we are thinking. So we're looking here at MelonsTrade and affiliated companies for trades in line with this market cycle. And the way we do that is by identifying harmonic patterns, which give us a really high probability entry point into that prevailing trend. So let's just change the color scheme slightly and start labeling it up. So we had D complete here. So D has completed there just below the, the tail of the, whatever people call these things, tails. Wicks, that's it, Wicks. I don't really have a name for them, so I don't typically trade off them. A, B, C, D. Okay, so we've got an ABCD pattern. Price at the moment is at the, what percentage fib are we? So we took our longs at 63.20, currently at entry, 60 pip stop, and we're looking for at least a 3-to-1 on this. So between the 61 and the 78, that's what we're looking for. That is a Gartley pattern in line with the market cycle, and we expect price to rise. So thanks for watching and catch up soon. Cheers.